Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a file in OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your file explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to start and then search for file explorer. Once you find this, go ahead and click on open and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find home, gallery. Right here, you're going to find OneDrive, desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, and so on. So first of all, go ahead and right click on OneDrive. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open in new window, pin to quick access, pin to start. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to always keep it on the device, free up space. And here you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then here you're going to find view online settings. And here you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find my files, recent, photos, shared, and right here you're going to find your recycle bin. So go ahead and click on my files. And then right here you're going to find all of your files. As you can see guys, you're going to also find your personal vaults right here. So for example, if you want to edit a file, for example, this one, just click on these three dots right here. Then you're going to find the option to share it. You can manage access to this file, as you can see guys right here. You can also delete the file. You can move it to change the location of the file. Here you can copy it, download it, rename it. You can create album from folder, and lastly here you can see the details. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.